Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutsell speaking, and in this video we are going to examine file feature number 11, Publishing to the Web for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. To access this item, I need to left-click on File and scroll down to Publish to the Web. Once I do so, this menu appears. This menu allows me to select how my document will be published to the web. I can either choose to publish it as a link, which can be copied and pasted anywhere, or an embed, which can be embedded into a website's main screen. When publishing to the web, I can select if it's going to automatically republish when I make changes to the original edited document. This situation can be very useful so that if I ever have to go back and edit a Google Doc, I don't have to worry about updating the version published on a website. And so, this is how one can publish a document to the web from the Google Docs screen. With that being said, thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.